Do you know which animals are the fastest on the planet? Let's explore the list of the top 10 fastest animals in the world. Leading the pack is the Peregrine Falcon, capable of diving at speeds of 240 miles an hour, 386 km, making it the fastest animal when hunting prey. Next is the Golden Eagle, reaching impressive speeds of 200 miles, 322 km/h during its powerful dives. Among flying birds, the white-throated Needletail holds the title for fastest level flight, hitting 105 miles, 169 km/h. The Brazilian free-tailed bat takes the crown for mammals, flying at 100 miles an hour, 160 km/h. On land, the cheetah reigns supreme, clocking in at 75 miles/hour, 121 km in short sprints. In the water, the sailfish leads with a swimming speed of 68 miles/hour, 110 km/h, making it the fastest fish. The pronghorn antelope is the second fastest land animal, reaching 60 miles/hour, 97 km/h, while the marlin follows closely in the aquatic world, reaching speeds of 50 miles/hour, 80 km/h. Among dogs, the greyhound excels with speeds up to 45 miles/hour, 72 km/h, while the brown hare can sprint up to 45 miles/hour, 72 km/h to evade predators. Each of these animals exhibits remarkable speed, showcasing their incredible abilities to move and hunt.